This channel is designed with you in mind. We review human and synthetic wigs and so much more. So definitely subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for new uploaded videos. And follow me on Instagram. Today's review is brought to you by. So what I want you to do is to keep watching for my review. Guys, I just wanted to show you all of the items that will be included along with your beautiful wig. Luvme Hair has always been a step up when it comes to the packaging. If you're a package person, you love beautiful packaging, you're gonna love the way Luvme Hair sends you your product, okay? Yes, and also it comes along with some care instructions. This unit will last up to a year, but if you take care of it properly, it will last longer. She's 10 inches. She is a beautiful 100% virgin hair from one donor. She has 2 combs on the side. She's a 4x4 closure. She can be worn glueless. Now right here, I added some wand curls to this beauty, but I want to show you how versatile this unit can be. So I'm going to straighten her out from the wand curl just to show you other styles that you can add to this unit, okay? Loving the silkiness of it. So I decided to show you how she would look if you just added some crimps just on the top. I didn't crimp it all over. You can if you would like to, but I just added some on the top. She is a natural black color. Now this unit can be dyed if you would like to, so that's a plus as well. But look at those beautiful crimps. Oh my goodness. Yes. I think you're really going to enjoy this unit. I did receive some shedding with this unit, not a lot of shedding, nothing to worry about. But yeah, you can wear her straight. She has a lot of body. She's 200 in density, but she's not thick. But that density definitely gives it the weight where you're going to get all of that bounciness, okay? Yes. That looks great. I like that. And those are the wand curls that I put in her. Just wanted to show you the wand curls on the other side. The cap is very comfortable on this 4x4. That lace on that 4x4 is a medium brown Swiss lace. Really nice. The cap is very comfortable as well. It holds a curl really nicely. I want to show you that parting on that 4x4. Yeah. So if you like this one, guys, definitely add this one to your wig collection. All the information will be down in my description box. I'm loving the length on this 10 inches. She comes in 10, 12, and 14. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye, guys.